SessionLab's collaborative options help your team design better workshops. So in this video, you'll learn how to work together effectively using its collaboration features. When you create a new session in SessionLab, it's private by default, and that means that only you and your workspace members can see it unless you choose to share it. So to work with colleagues on a session, you can invite them to the agenda using the share button at the top of the planner, and you can choose to give them different levels of access. So a viewer, if they just need to see the agenda and comment on it, or editor, if you want them to co-create the agenda with you. If you're using the Pro or Business plan in SessionLab, then you're able to invite any collaborator. So even if they're not part of your workspace, even if they're just using the free basic plan in SessionLab. Collaboration happens in real time. Everyone can see updates as they happen, and you'll always know who's editing which part of the session through a small icon appearing on the block they're working on. Collaborators can also leave comments directly on individual blocks or on the entire session. It's an easy way to give feedback or input on the plan. And in your account settings, you can customize your email notification settings to make sure that you stay in the loop if someone comments on a session that you're part of. If you need to keep things organized, use the Assign To column to assign blocks to your session collaborators, and you can tag them as well using the @ symbol to draw their attention to something specific. And there are other ways to share your session as well. So you can share your session using a visitor link. This allows others to view the entire session even if they don't have a SessionLab account. So with this visitor link, your clients, your stakeholders, they can easily leave comments on your session, making it a simple and effective way to gather feedback on your design. They'll have a full view-only access to all session blocks and all their details without needing to log in or create an account. Now, if you'd just like to share a high-level overview of your agenda without giving access to the full session's details, then you might find the online agenda useful. So this can be a handy way to share a clean overview of your session outline with the participants. It's just going to display each block's titles, timings, and it's got none of the detailed information behind each section here. Now, it's also important to understand the difference between workspace members and collaborators. You can add members to your workspace from your account page here. Workspace members will be able to see your workspace and all the sessions in it by default, while session collaborators will only have access to sessions they've been explicitly invited to. Whenever a session is edited by a colleague while you're away, a small orange dot appears on the session card. It's an intuitive activity indicator, instantly shows you when something's changed. And with real-time notifications, you'll see a red dot appear in your notification area whenever someone tags, comments, or mentions you, so you never miss important updates. Working together in SessionLab is simple, flexible, and built to support your team's collaboration in a number of different ways.